Day. This is Chief Alpha, intending to alter course to port. Over.
Chief Bravo, maintain current speed and heading. Over.
This is Chief Alpha. What is your current bearing and speed?
Chief Bravo, bearing 090 degrees, speed 12 knots. Over.
This is Chief A. Collision risk deleted at current course, reducing speed. Over.
Chief Bravo, understood. Altering course to starboard.
This is Chief Alpha. Confirm new course and speed after alteration.
Bravo, new course 110 degrees, speed 10 knots.
This is Chief Alpha. I will hold my current position to allow you to pass. Over.
This is Chief Bravo, maintain your position until I clear the area. Over.
This is Chief Alpha. This is Chief Alpha. How long will it take to clear the area? Over.
This is Chief Bravo. Estimated time to clear the area is 10 minutes.
This is Chief Alpha. I will need to adjust my position if you take longer than I expected. Over.
Chief Bravo, understood. I will keep you updated.
This is Chief Alpha. Please notify me if you clear the area. Over.
This is Chief Bravo. Will notify once cleared. Current status. Altering course and speed as planned. Over.
This is Chief Alpha. Preparing to resume the course if you confirm. Over.
Bravo. Stand by for confirmation. Over. Chief Bravo. Area cleared. You may proceed on your original course. Over.
Chief Alpha. Resuming original course and speed. Thank you. Over.
Chief Bravo. Please confirm your course and speed now. Over.
This is Chief Alpha. The bearing is 270 degrees, speed 12 knots. Safe passage to you. Over.
Bravo. Safe passage to you as well. Over.